YouTube. This is Creative Marcus. Back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can quit smoking. Right? So we're going to have at least 5 steps in this video. Now let's start with step number 1, to quit smoking. Step number 1. Find a therapist. This is a very important step. Find a therapist that can help you get through this journey. Find a therapist. Because a therapist will help you go a long way. This is a support system. A therapist is a support system that you need. Without one, this becomes impossible. Step number 2. Find a non-nicotine cigarette or an e-cigarette. Yeah, find a non-nicotine cig, if you could. What this will do, it will get rid of the nicotine in your body, and it could basically get rid of all the junk and basically it could get rid of your craving for nicotine over time, because this is the thing that's causing you to be addicted to the first place, right? So what I want you to do is get rid of this. Even if you do get it, say get it without this. Because over time, you're not going to do this anymore. Because you're not going to have this. Step number 3. Step number 3. Stop hanging out with smokers. Yo, bro, listen, you are who you hang around, bro. So if you really want to quit this, bro, you might want to have to drop your friends that are smoking, bro. Because if you're not doing that, bro, it's going to basically become impossible, bro, to quit the smoking, bro. Because if you're not, because you got to move away from those who are smoking, because your friends could be probably like, say, hey, bro, take a hit of this or something like that. And you don't want that if you're trying to do this. This is the goal, right? Step number 4. You gotta detox the lungs, bro. Because once you do end up quitting this, bro, you wanna have to, you wanna have to get rid of the funk in your lungs, bro. Because you don't want that, bro. You don't want that there for a very long time. It's very uncomfortable. Try detoxing the lungs. Step number 5. Step number 5. You gotta drink a lot of water, bro. You should be doing this even though if you're not a smoker, but like in general, like this is very important. Probably one of the most important steps, actually. You should take this into account, because this is very important. Basically, if you wanna basically, if I were you, if you wanna quit this addiction fast, bro, I actually like advise you to do this, and do this, if you wanna quit it fast. And also, but all these are important, but these are critical. 1, 2, and 3. These are critical points right here. step. Now this is the bonus tip, right? This is number 6, right? This is bonus right here. You know, a lot of people don't tell you this about it, but hey. Hey, bro, listen, never give up, all right? Don't do it, bro. And another thing about what I said about the non-nicotine cig, bro. Even if you do smoke the non-nicotine cig, you're still making progress, bro, because you're still not ingesting that nicotine, bro. Right? At least you're making progress in some aspect. You feel me? Hey, never give up, fam. Never give up. All right? Like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Share it if you need to, bro. And peace out, man. This is Creative Marcus.